All right, so we're moving right along, and now we're looking at order of operations. So if I'm looking at this expression right here, how do I get the answer 5 from here? Just pause the video and see if you can figure that out. Okay, so the first thing that I would do, I would subtract, and then I would add, and that would equal 5. Now, what if I wanted to end up with the answer 1? So just see if you know how to figure that out. So pause the video. So what I would do is I would, and then that would equal 1. So these two exactly the same expressions, if they're done in a different order, the order does matter. So how do we make which operation? Do I do the addition first or do I do the subtraction first? How do I make it clear so I know which operation I need to do first? Okay, so what we would do if I wanted to get 5 as an answer, we would put in brackets. So the brackets are what tell you what operation you need to do first. So in this example here, I would do this operation first, the subtraction. Now, if I wanted to get 1, I would put brackets around the 5 plus 2 so that I know I had to do that operation first, and then I would end up with the answer of 1, so doing the addition first. So brackets are your key here. All right, so here, the very first thing that I would do is the brackets. Okay, so I'm going to get you to just solve this problem. Pause the video again. All right, so if we're solving with the brackets first, so you can do it this way if you want and write 22 minus 7, because that's inside the brackets, plus 3. And then you can just solve. So now that there are no brackets, you'd start at this side and you just work your way over. So you'd say 22 minus 7 equals, and that's 15. And then you're going to add 3, and that would be 18. So you can write it this way. I like to do it this way. So it doesn't, like we talked about, it doesn't matter. Everybody's got their own way of doing things. And so then I would do 22 minus 7 plus 3, and then that would be 18. I like to show every step because, oopsies, I made a mistake here and I put an 8 there by accident and all of a sudden my answer is wrong. Okay, so I can, if I was marking your stuff, I would clearly see that you made that mistake and I'd still give you most marks because I understand that you knew what you were doing. Okay. And I also think it's more clear when I write it this way, but that's my personal preference. If you want to do it this way in one big long line on, go right ahead. All right. But just know I'm doing it the other way. Okay, so just pause and do this one. All right, so I have 4, that's 6, plus 3 is 9, so I have 15 minus 9 plus 6. So 15 minus 9 is 6, and then I'm just going to, the answer there is 12. Okay, so we just remember that we have to do those brackets first. All right, so that's it for this video. There are some things that you need to do with it.